Hey, how's it going? Today's drawing lesson is going to be simple and for beginners. So if you're a complete beginner and you've never drawn anything in your life, this is the perfect place to be. This is going to be step by step and it's going to be short. I try to keep these around the 10-minute mark. Hey, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw a cute baby dragon. It's going to be simple, easy, and for beginners. I'm going to be using this Acrylic brand marker, and that's kind of it. So we can kind of start to get into it right now. It's going to look a little nervous. This one is a lot of different dragons on the channel. But if you like learning how to draw cute stuff, if you like learning how to draw all your favorite characters, I'm going to be posting one video, sometimes more, a day. So absolutely follow the channel. Hit the subscribe button and click the bell notification. So let's get started over here. I'm going to go over here. Start over here with this, curve down. So big forehead. Pulling out over here for the snout. And the snout's gonna be real small. Slight. Curve down. And it's something like a baby and cute, it's always slight. I'm going to go over here on this side, and I'm going to draw one of the horns on the dragon's head, and it's going to be also very slight. That's the thing, we're talking like a baby horn, right? Over here, almost like a triangle. Gonna continue over here. Over here. And we are going to go over here on the other side over here and draw the horn on the far side also. Be very slight. Right here, we're going to go in here, like a V shape for the nose, down. Think about drawing like a maybe line over here for the mouth, and a little fang there for the tooth. Okay, let's draw the eye. The eye is going to be just a big, it's going to be really low, by the way. It's going to be about the height of the nose. Curve down like so. Curve over here. I'm going to fill this in. Right on. Good. And now I want to kind of see the back of the dragon's head. And see, the back of the dragon's head is almost always going to be these little prongs that come off the cheek. And those are going to be very slight as well. You can see a lot in cartoons, little prongs, and they're all right here. You can look like horn shapes. Everything's less exaggerated, it's less developed. Over here, I'm going to pull a line from this area. And I'm going to curve over here, the back. Alright. Let's go over the chest. Pull the chest. Go into the foot. I'm going to pull down, up for 1 foot. Pull back here. Curve over here for the hind leg, kind of in there. And I'm going to pull this foot from here. Let's go over here to the back and pull the tail out. Curve. Curve of that tail over there. Well, let's go over here and draw a wing. Draw a line over here. Out. In. Down. Inner wing. Then the far side wing over there. Let's draw the foot on the far end over here. It's gonna be the same shape. Also, if you want to learn how to draw anything cute, go to the description. There's a free ebook on how to draw cute. It talks about the specific proportions that I use for like everything. So go check that out. Go check that out. Absolutely. Line over here. And so we want more characteristics of like a dragon, even though the you know, we got that going. So let's go over here and we're gonna draw the underbelly of the dragon. Line over here, more of a thin line here, and under kind of runs all the way down the tail area. And I draw a curve, curve, curve line here for the snake belly. All right. And we're mostly done, but I'm going to throw some nails over here on him, some baby nails over here. One or two here, one on this side because it'll be hidden. One or two here on this side. And you can even draw. No, I'm not gonna draw a cheekbone. Actually, I'm gonna draw a line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here, line over here. And that's pretty much it. I think you can actually draw the jaw here on this side right here. And that's pretty much it. That is a baby dragon. We'll draw a couple lines here. I'm saying that's it, but draw some baby dragon lines here. And that's a baby dragon. Thank you so much. You can even draw some spots on here if you want, like thin with a thin line. What else can be on here? There's a lot of stuff you can add, but I think this is fine. Just keep it simple, keep it cute. Let me know if you like this, by the way. Click the like button. And if you really like this, do me a huge favor and share the video. When you share the video, it brings back a lot of cool new people. I'm very, very grateful to be doing this, and I want to keep doing this for you guys. So I want to start putting up 3 videos again every day. I think that's going to be awesome to kind of bring that in again. So let me know. And that's pretty much it. Okay, I will talk to you next time, and I will see you very soon. All right? See you later, guys. Oh, wait, one thing I forgot to say. Go check out all the other stuff in the description I mentioned. There's a lot of stuff on there that's going to make you a better artist. And yeah, that is it. I will see you soon, and I will talk to you in the next video. But yeah, talk to you later, guys.